The workshop is hot. Stop fretting over expensive AC. Our AC unit. It can replace the ATS while consuming 50% electricity. This can cut your yearly electricity costs by thousands. Our industrial water-cooled AC, 8 watt-hour, covers 300 square meters, 900 cubic meters. It uses only 6 kW each per each hour. Internal and external PVC pipe connections attach and detach easily. It quickly cools workshops by 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. It maintains 26 to 28 degrees Celsius indoors in under 10 minutes. It produces no moisture when cooling. This is safe for workshops with strict humidity requirements. Our system cools indoor and outdoor units with water. It is more energy efficient than OWPS. We're the original manufacturer, straight from the source. No middleman markup. Wondering about our energy-saving AC? You are invited to tour our factory.